Good evening students, welcome to class 6th maths. Now I am going to teach you the topic called divisibility. Test of divisibility for 2, 5 and 10. First we study test of divisibility of 2. If any number in the unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number is divisible by 2. In the unit place there should be even number if it is divisible by 2. Okay, examples are given: 16, 80, 44, 62 and 78. All these numbers unit place is having even number. If you say the 2 table, you will get all even numbers. Okay, so all these given examples here in this number are all the numbers divisible by 2. Next one, test of divisibility of 5. If any number in the unit place is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. For example, 35, 60 are the numbers divisible by 5. If you say the 5 table, unit place is getting 0 and 5. If the numbers is in the unit place is 0 or 5, then the numbers are divisible by 5. So this is the test of divisibility of 5. So next we study test of divisibility of 10. Okay, if any number in the unit place is 0, then that number is divisible by 10. If you say the 10 table, unit place is getting all zeros. Okay, for example 30, 50, 100 are the numbers divisible by 10. If you say full 10 table, if you know all this 10 table, unit place is getting here 0. So whatever the given numbers in examples here, unit place is 0. So that numbers is divisible by 10. Now open your textbook on page number 43. Here this question C. Which of these numbers are divisible by 2, 5 or 10? Write them in the empty boxes. Okay. Now we have already studied test of divisibility of 2, 5 and 10. So which numbers here, given numbers, are divisible by 2, 5 or 10? You have to check that and you have tried. All these 3 numbers of test of divisibility of 2, 5 or 10. So first one is divisible by 2. Given number first one is 125. So 125 unit place is 5 over here. So it is not divisible by 2. So is it divisible by 5? Yes. So is it divisible by 10? No. If it is divisible by 10, there should be only 0 in the unit place. In this number there is no 0 in the unit place. So it is not divisible by 10 also. Only this number is divisible by 5. Okay. So next number is 364. Unit place, what is the check? Unit place is 4. So it is divisible by 2. So is it divisible by 5? If it is divisible by 5, unit place should be 0 and 5. So unit place here 4 is gone. So it is not divisible by 5. So is it divisible by 10? No. If it is divisible by 10, unit place should be 0. So it is, this number is not divisible by 10 also. Like this way you have to do. So I am keep on solving here, you have to check. 475. Now next number is 750. Unit place 0 is there. So is it divisible by 2? Unit place 0 is there here. So 0 also is coming unit place if it is divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. Unit place should be 0 and 5 if it is divisible by 5. Is it divisible by 10? this number? Yes, because unit place is 0. Here other number is given here 7009. Unit place 9 is there. So it is not divisible by 2, 5 or 10. Keep this number as it is. Now the last number is 8710. So 8710 is divisible by 2, 5 or 10. If you like my math teaching method, please don't forget it to subscribe it on YouTube channel. Thank you.